Hello everyone, welcome to Huawei Cloud Tech Talk. I'm Ali Batuhan Karaçoban. Today I would like to tell you about the DB Plus solutions of Huawei Cloud GeminiDB. Effective data transfer is vital seamless business operations, especially when there are large-scale real-time workloads involving in precise ad placements and recommendations, and IOV. GeminiDB is a multimodal NoSQL database service that works closely with relational databases and big data services. Its DB Plus solution enables efficient data transfer and unleash data value in scenarios such as RTA-based advertising, IOV, and e-commerce. DB Plus provides 7 solutions. DB Cache automatically caches data from relational database to GeminiDB Redis instances, enabling high concurrency, low latency, accessed at the service layer. DB Load quickly imports massive amounts of future data from big data platforms to GeminiDB Redis instances. This ensures precise RT-based ad placement and recommendations. DB Lake, DB Insight, DB Detect are suitable for GeminiDB Influx API. They provide a complete IOV data solution, which includes abnormal metric detection, real-time query analysis, and automated data import to a data lake. DB Log automatically archives historical data from relational database to Gemini Cassandra instances. DB Search integrates data query and search capabilities. The two solutions work together to make it easy to query historical data at service layer. In high concurrent scenarios, such as e-commerce promotions, relational database workloads are often offloaded to Redis. In traditional passive caching solutions, users have to manually write the code to the cache MySQL data. Applications read data from the cache first. If no data is found in the cache, applications read and cache data from the relational databases. This complicates the development logic. Limited capacity and poor reliability in the cache system may lead to cache breakdown, severely degrading the system performance or causing a system collapse. GeminiDB can automatically synchronize the incremental operations on the relational database. It is simple and efficient for users to set tables to be cached. With decoupled storage and compute, GeminiDB offers ultra-high availability and ultra-large scalable storage to ensure system stability. DB Load is mainly used in RTA-based advertising services. Users use the DB Load SDK to create data files in GeminiDB's storage engine from Spark and insert the data files into a database in batches. The data does not need to be written to the database row by row using Redis. 5 times less time is required for bringing the future data online, so users receive fresher data and more precise ad recommendations. DB Load can import massive amounts of data with very little latency. It is ideal for RTA-based advertising and recommendation services. GeminiDB Influx instances can store time series data, including data collected and parsed from the vehicles. GeminiDB Influx API enables faster real-time metric queries than traditional solutions at the service layer. GeminiDB Influx API provides DB Insight to query and write metrics from up to tens of millions of vehicles in real time. DB Lake automatically converts time series data into Parquet file, periodically uploads the file to the OBS. Data is automatically imported to the lake without being manually parsed and converted. DB Lake integrates online and offline data streams, simplifying the application architecture. DB Detect provides built-in metrics for users to create a custom anomaly detection task using simple SQL statements. Users just need to periodically query the specified abnormal table. No Flink-based detection tasks need to be created, which reduces the resources consumption and make it easier to use. DB Log and DB Search can be used more efficiently query massive amounts of historical data. DB Log automatically archives the historical data from relational databases. to GeminiDB Cassandra instances. No further operations are required for the service layer. GeminiDB Cassandra API's DB Search provides a search engine to automatically build indexes. Implementing complex queries at service layer, such as keyword-based search. DBlog and DB Search quickly archive historical data from relational databases, reducing OM cost by more than 20%. They can also be used to query archive data in real time, improving the query efficiency by 50% compared with traditional solutions. DBload is mainly used for RTA-based advertising. It imports data to databases 5 times faster, makes ad placement and recommendations more precise than traditional solutions. DB Insight, DB Detect, and DB Lake inject and query tens of millions of IOV, Internet of Vehicle data records in real time with big data ecosystem. DBlog and DB Search can archive and retrieve petabytes of historical e-commerce data.